For a long time, the Chinese government has been inflicting unimaginable pain on Uyghurs, just because of their race, faith, and culture. Over the past 3 years, China committed crimes against humanity in the Uyghur region and put millions of innocent Uyghurs into concentration camps and jails. I am Tumaris Yalqun, daughter of Yalqun Rozi, the renowned Uyghur literary critic, writer, and educator. My father has been forcibly disappeared since 2016 and is suffering in the Chinese prison. My father was the chief editor of the Uyghur literature textbooks used for elementary and middle school education. Chinese authorities, in order to eliminate entire Uyghur language education, abolished the textbooks and imprisoned my father with made-up crimes. My father was punished only because he wanted his people to develop and because he endeavored to preserve his own culture. Jailing Uyghur scholars, burning Uyghur books, demolishing mosques, destroying Uyghur culture, sending millions of innocent Uyghurs into concentration camps. This is the Chinese barbarity in the 21st century. 3 years and 7 months, a total of 1,309 days. Today is May 6, 2020, and I didn't see my father Yalqun Rozi, nor did I hear his voice since October 6, 2016. China, stop your lies, stop your cruelty, release my father Yalqun Rozi immediately.